Hello fans, family, and friends. Just here shooting an intro about 2 days later because I split up the video and I'm going to make it like 2, maybe even 3 videos. So just shooting y'all a new intro, and y'all clearly see from the title we finna go to the gun store and look at some guns. All right, let's get into it.
They've got a lot of glass. I'll give them that. Still up there, higher quality stuff, higher price stuff, but they've got it. They got glass. Oh, I knew that was a fucking holographic. Somebody told me I should put a holographic on the scar. You think I'm gonna pay that much to see? Look, 730 for a window of vision. No, guys are crazy. Met Pros. Okay. Oh shit.
Do you want to look at the optics again?
Can I look at that SIG thing? All right, cool. These are like super like stuff. Of course, it's like store stuff. It's not the pawn shop what we usually go into, like gun shows, just box store guns. And then actually I'm gonna get a little closer to the rifles for y'all. That PC, that's 650. I'm gonna get the whole thing in. Springfield right next to it. That's 1080. That piece right next to it, I can't tell what it is. It looks like it's a Daniel Defense or some shit. But that's coming in at 1100. That one with the gold accents, that's at 190, at 1090, I mean. And then that bad boy on the end is coming up at $710. Beautiful stock. Got another PC. Another PC, and that shotgun's got a beautiful camo behind it. That PC in the front is coming in at just under 600 bucks, $599.99. And then these 3 shotguns, the most expensive one is that one, coming in at $520. The rest are all under $320. Oh, y'all don't know, but I had one similar to that one. Semi-auto 12 gauge Beretta. Amazing. One of my most favorite guns ever. Oh, some cool little 22s. Oh wow, we got one that's coming in at under 100 bucks. That one right there, I'm getting good at pointing now. That second one from the back, that's coming in at $100. And these are all used pieces on the bottom, if you guys couldn't tell. I didn't even know they took used pieces too, but yeah, they're really nice condition though, which I imagine a box store would take better pieces. Okay. Yeah, those Savage Arms is... Oh, okay, the one in the back's the Savage Arms coming in at $420, and then looks like a Ruger in front of it for $280. And then we get back to the box store type guns, the 1022 type shits, the Savage Arms, the 300 wins that people have been getting into, like the Browning and shit. All right, I think I was supposed to be able to look at this little piece of glass, but I might just let y'all see the snap caps they do got and get on about my way because my back's hurting. Okay. Just take this time. See handguns. $339. Super small walkers. I think that was a PPK. Oh no, P22. Oh wow. Oh, that mug's clean. Coming in at $6.80 for the Browning 1922. That's hard. Ah, shit. Oh, got some ugly ass Target guns down here. Competition guns. Bunch of Brownings. I think Browning has been lacking for the past like 100 years.
So, which optic did you want to take a look at?
It was the SIG. It was next to a Romeo. The good old high. I don't. It just looks like a this one. What is that? The site?
That is a site. Well, it's not in there right now, but we do have one available.
Those are ugly. Perhaps do a big cut right there. Oh wow, that car looks awesome. A little polymer frame. I'm starting to get tired. You can always tell when I start to get tired in these videos. I'm just kind of gonna get y'all.
Still look at it. Still sealed up.
Oh, that's looking like Romeo. I was so confused. Is it a fiber optic or something?
Oh no.
I thought it was a fiber optic under the Picatinny. Right, okay.
I can put the battery in there for you too.
Okay. Let's toss it right now.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Oh, that's a real high.
Good, how are you?
Oh, the Tomcat.
Oh, I already.
Oh, she's just drove.
Oh,
Not kidding.
they got a Phoenix Arms.
No problem. Thanks.
For coming in at 170. Y'all know I got a random magazine for that. Some wheel guns at the bottom. Fucking knees are killing me. Jesus. Not the biggest wheel selection. Oh, Glock 21 over there. Ah, shit. Ooh, okay. And then is it just red or does it do red green?
So it's only red.
Okay.
But I'm going to list off what it has for the features. So what it does, it has a 2 MOA dot. It's a very small dot, but it's very accurate. 10 brightness settings, 2 are daylight, 2 are night vision. You also have motion sensors, so if you set it down for 15 minutes, it'll turn off, and the moment you touch it, it'll turn on.
Awesome.
It also has a 50,000 hour battery life, so meaning you can keep it on for 5 years without having to change the battery.
Jeez, you guys hearing that? 5 years without turning off.
Also waterproof.
Oh,
And
wow.
lifetime guarantee.
We're gonna have to get one of these Romeos soon, guys. That definitely sold us. You are a good salesman. Yeah, I'm gonna pick one of these up soon for sure. Okay, Romeo is a lot more versatile than I thought. He said they had some night looks in there, some day looks. Is said it was you put it down for 15 minutes, it'll turn off instead of. right, you guys have a beautiful day, evening, night, year, month, winter solstice, prom night, Rosh Hashanah, and Merry Christmas. Have a good day, guys.